Ranger Raptor sets new standards for powertrain engineering. Leading this innovation, we combined a 10-speed transmission with a new bi-turbo diesel engine, delivering a maximum 157 kilowatts of power and 500 newton-meters of torque, with better fuel economy, less weight, and with specific off-road calibration. The bi-turbos are connected in sequence and work as a team to optimize performance. At lower engine speeds, the two turbos work together for maximum torque and responsiveness, while at higher engine speeds, the high-pressure turbo is bypassed and the low-pressure turbo provides boost to deliver more power. Complementing the engine, the 10-speed transmission ensures it's always in the optimal gear for improved acceleration, responsiveness, and towing performance. High-strength steel, aluminium alloys, and composite are used to optimize durability and weight. With improved quality, efficiency, and performance, the new 2-liter bi-turbo engine is Ford engineering at its best.